Let's sign up for EstVis and get your credentials. On the EstVis homepage, start the sign-up form and fill in your details. A real cell number matters since your activation code is texted to it. Confirm you're not a robot, then click Book a Demo. Enter the code from the text message. Now you're signed in. Open Workflow in your browser and pick your shop. The board loads with empty buckets ready to go. Now check your inbox for 2 welcome emails. Check your spam or junk folder if you don't see them. The first email holds your manager credentials for setting up users, company, and buckets, and for signing into Workflow and the mobile app. The second email has the install link and a login only for the desktop server, never for your user account. It also has the EstVis mobile app links. For the full guide, visit help.estvis.com.